Hello, Sparky or SparkyOnline.com. I ran across a job the other day that I couldn't get to, and the general contractor said that his people knew how to run a little bit of conduit, and they'd go ahead and put the conduit in the wall for me. And I realized this is in a residential home, but it's in a shop, and the guy wants provisions for future outlets or circuits, whatever, so they went ahead and piped it. And like I said, I wasn't able to get out there, so they went ahead and did their magic, and what you're going to see here is just will blow you away. It's why um, non-electricians, even people that aren't mechanically inclined, shouldn't even be doing this stuff. But anyway, I walk onto the job, and I see this panel wide open, and it is hot. So look at all the bussing that's up there, and this guy had some big huevos to start piping some of the stuff in, but that's not even connected at the top there. He didn't even have a freaking clue of what he was up against on that stuff. So looks like he got a little flustered on this one, so obviously he left that one for me. I like the way he notched out that wood there for it too, but there's the feeder coming in for that panel. So once it goes through the wall from one room into another, it did a halfway decent job of coming straight down in here. But what really busts me up is the pulling L's inside the wall here. Okay, and for those of you who don't know, you cannot use pulling L's that are going to be buried behind sheetrock. They have to be accessible at all times, and they were getting ready to go ahead and sheetrock this up and then have me pull the wire in later, so it was a good thing I stopped by. So if anybody thinks that they can even push, pull, tug, I don't know how to put this wire in here, you're freaking nuts. But what the guy told me was, well, we'll just go ahead and pull the wire in now and then button it up, and then he'll be all set. I'm like, well, what's the freaking purpose of running the pipe? The idea behind it is so he could add or change circuits for later on. If he wanted to take, and add a 30 amp circuit in there, and we've only pulled number 12s, he's screwed. You might as well put Romex in the wall. And his comment to me was, what? You can't repull wire through those? And I'm like, you're full of shit, buddy. So this is just another view from the other side of it. But I just love how they notch the shit out of these boards in here, out of the studs. And luckily this isn't a bearing wall, it's just a dividing wall. That was the other view. Okay, this one here, I did everything I could not to laugh on this one. He just kind of looked at me and he says, well, I just thought it would be okay. And I'm like, you guys are sheetrockers, you guys are framers, you guys aren't electricians. So bottom line is I ended up tearing all this shit out and repiping everything. So once again, you cannot use pulling L's, Jake L's, whatever you want to call them, buried behind sheetrock. And I mean, look at the bend on that one there. That in itself, I don't know if he did that with his foot or if he did it with a bender or what the hell he did it to. But nonetheless, this is kind of shit that I run into on a daily basis. And, at least it brought a smile to my face. I got paid for changing it, what the hell. Anyway, just thought I'd share it with you. You guys have a good day. Talk to you later.